So let's just say, you're coming up to some random house and, you just wanted to, like, I don't know, get in a little bit. And, So yeah, we somehow got in and you come across one of these safes. And this is why some of these Sentry safes are a joke. Because, you have your beeper, but that's not why. So they have this, a lock, and they're kind of useless because all you need to do to get past this is a paperclip. Now, in order to get past one of these, all you have to do is just straighten this paperclip all the way out straight. And yeah, so we're gonna straighten this paperclip out. There you go. You have your paperclip straight, and then you're gonna bend it at the middle, like that. Like that, like that. I'm gonna try to get it as tight as possible. That should be good. You just insert it like that. Make sure you don't get it twisted up. And you're just going to put it in. And I'm going to open it like this, wide, jiggle it a little bit, twist it just a little bit. You may need to pull it back out a little bit. Oh, I got to click. Just make sure it's nice and wide, and there we go.